Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to order from Temu without card. If you want to shop on Temu without using a card, here's how you can do it. Temu supports multiple digital wallets that make checkout quick and secure. No need to manually enter card details. You can use PayPal, which adds extra layer of privacy by keeping your bank or card information hidden from sellers. Google Pay is another option, offering fast payments linked to your Google account. While Apple Pay works seamlessly for iOS users with strong privacy protection, Cash App Pay is also accepted, giving you yet another flexible choice. Alternatively, you can use gift cards or Temu credits. Simply purchase App Store or Google Play gift cards, redeem them in the app, and use a balance for your orders. You can also earn or receive Temu credits, which work like a built-in wallet for hassle-free purchases. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.